Hello guys, what is up? This is sethN16 here, part of the Halo videos right now, and today we are playing Flood. And Flood is actually one of my favorite games to play. It's kind of like the Nerf war of Zombie the Apocalypse a little bit. It's really fun to play. I'm gonna move up the chair, so yeah. Okay, we have to vote what's the best place to play. So right now, second place is in third place, fourth. Okay, so apparently we are doing that one. We're doing that one. And these are all the people. Computers. Where's me? Yeah, here I am. This is me right here.
Mommy?
Yee. So, right now, we choose the level. So what we're going to do is we are going to start playing in 3, 2, 1. And now, that was my nephew. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start playing this game now. So, okay, I'm back. Sorry. Right now. Okay, now, we are playing Flood. Flood is this game where you're human or a zombie at the same time, or flipping alien. I don't even remember. So right now we're getting ready to play this game in a few minutes. So we're playing Flood. Now we're doing this one. Oh darn it! Ah darn it! Okay, okay. This place is really creepy. See, this is what a player looks like. He's green. So we're gonna be waiting for some people to come up. Hey, what's up, buddies? I forget you. Okay. This guy's trying to make it. Okay. Made it. Wait. Okay, wait, what's going on? What are you guys... What? You playing around with me? I don't think the zombie's really good at all. Okay, shots fired, shots fired. I'm gonna switch places. I'm gonna... Oh, no. Okay, I made it. I think we're just gonna be the... Really? Get off of me. Get off of me. Okay, okay, we're gonna go over here. Wait. Where's the Flood, dude? What was that? Okay, they might have just found one. I'm just shooting off my gun for no reason. I'm gonna die for... There you are! Nice job! Oop. Oh, there's the yellow one. Where is it? Where is he? Where is he? Stop it! Dude! Stop it!
1 minute left.
I think this is just going to be like a... Cool. Oh, I'm going to die. I know that stuff.
What is it?
Okay. I'm just going to walk around and find an infector or whatever. He's affecting guys. Oh, I know what this thing is now. There we go. And over there. And after that... 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I got him again. Wait, there's another one?
30 seconds left.
What's happening? It's only 30 seconds left. What? This is not really cool at all. Where? What are you really pushing me off? Okay, there's 2.
10 seconds.
Okay, whatever this guy is, he's not really good.
Round over.
Round over? Someone didn't obey the rules. Okay. That was not pretty cool at all. We're playing another round. We're gonna do this one. Okay. We're all ready? Oh, this is the guy. That's... Great. 2 players are not moving. They're gonna be dying first. Uh-oh. One of them just died. Aha. You failed. Ah. Come on, make it. Yes! You made it. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, jeez. See, wait! Whoa! Oh! Okay, this is what an effector is. Effectors are really, really kind of scary. Yeah. Who?
Last man standing.
Last man standing. Who's the last man standing? There he is.
Round over.
Oh, he was just standing there and let his fate just died. Oh my gosh. That is... Wow. Alright, we're gonna play one more round. One more round, because I think someone wants to watch television. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's get it moving, guys. Let's go. Hoorah, double time. Double time. I'm staying up here. No, I died back here. No way. Heck no. Round this way. Oh, alright. Okay. No! You got someone! Oh, great. I'm down in the dead zone. Oh, snap. No. I think I... Wait! Oh, hey. Get me up here.
What's down there?
Shh. Okay. Vectors! Vector failed. Wait, he's gonna come through here. I'm scared. I'm missing all the action. Like, wow.
Just wait, you're helping.
Okay. And if you talk by accident, Oh! Another one! Yeah! We're surviving this! I'm glad you can't shoot at each other, because if you shoot at each other, that'll just stink. I like this other one where you actually had like a bunch of machine guns and all that. No! Loading! No! How did I die? Oh, we won! Victory! Woohoo! Yay! Well, anyway, guys, that was Halo oh snap. That was Flood. I will see you guys later. This is sethN16 here, part of the Halo videos, and I will see you guys later. Peace, guys.